Hey Mikey, what you doing?
Just building my city.
What are these?
Geotrack.
Oh yeah, this is an awesome city. How old are you?
I'm 7.
You just turned 7, huh? Let's take a closer look at all the detail here. Oh yeah, fire up the trains. Oh, make the white airplane go. He's stalled. White airplane. Perfect. Oh yeah. What's the red car's name again? Oh, where's Chick Hicks? Oh, there's Chick Hicks coming around the bend. This is awesome. What do you have to say, Mike? Let me see you. You're a really good train engineer.